Hi guys, hope you all are well. The topic that we are going to discuss today may leave a deep impact in your life, and this topic is titled Relationship Healing Angel Number Transform Your Love Life with Divine Guidance. Are you looking for healing and harmony in your relationships? Discover how angel numbers hold the power to restore love, trust, and connection in your life. In this motivational video, we unravel the meaning behind angel numbers and how they guide you toward healing your relationships. Whether you're facing struggles with your partner, family, or friends, this message will provide clarity, hope, and divine inspiration. And also, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel so that you get new updates. So without wasting time, let's start talking about today's topic. Setting the tone. Have you ever felt lost, unsure, or broken in your relationships? Maybe you're longing for love to be restored or a deep connection that seems out of reach. Today, I want to share with you something profound: the healing power of angel numbers. These aren't just random numbers you see on clocks or license plates. They're messages from the universe, gentle whispers from the divine guiding you toward love, trust, and healing. Let's explore how these celestial signals can transform your relationships and your life. Understanding angel numbers. First, let's uncover what angel numbers truly are. These are sequences of numbers, like 111, 222, 555, or even 1111, that appear repeatedly in your life. They carry vibrations and messages from higher spiritual realms. When it comes to relationships, angel numbers serve as reminders, warnings, or encouragement to help us heal and grow. They often appear when you're facing emotional turmoil, uncertainty, or a desire to reconnect with someone you love. For example, have you ever repeatedly seen 222? This number is about harmony, partnership, and balance, a divine nudge to restore equilibrium in your relationship. Or perhaps 555 keeps popping up. That's a call for transformation and letting go of the past to welcome a new beginning. Recognizing signs of angelic messages. How do you know the universe is speaking to you through angel numbers? Pay attention to these signs. Repetition, seeing the same number everywhere, like on clocks, receipts, or phone numbers. Intuition, feeling a deep connection or a sense of calm when the number appears. Synchronicity, experiencing meaningful coincidences that align with your emotional state or relationship issues. These numbers often appear when you're searching for clarity, feeling stuck, or needing reassurance. They're like a flashlight in the dark, illuminating the path to healing and growth. The most powerful angel numbers for relationship healing. Now, let's dive deeper into some specific angel numbers and their meanings in the context of relationships. 111, New Beginnings. It encourages you to focus on positive thoughts and intentions for your relationship. 222, Partnership and Harmony. A sign to work on balance and trust. 333, Divine Protection. It reminds you that the universe is guiding and supporting your relationship. 444, Stability. A signal to build a stronger foundation in your connection. 555, Transformation. This number often appears during significant changes, urging you to embrace growth. 1111, Manifestation. A powerful reminder that your thoughts and energy are shaping your relationship. Steps to heal your relationship with angel numbers. Now that you understand these numbers, how can you use them to heal your relationship? Here are actionable steps. Acknowledge the message, when you see an angel number, pause and reflect on its meaning. What issue or emotion in your relationship resonates with it? Set positive intentions. Use the number as a reminder to focus on love, trust, and compassion. Communicate honestly. Take this as a cue to open up with your partner. Share your feelings and listen without judgment. Let go of negativity. Release past hurt and resentment. Forgiveness is key to healing. Practice gratitude. Thank the universe for its guidance and express appreciation for your relationship. For example, if 555 keeps appearing, it might be time to let go of old patterns and embrace a new chapter with your partner. The number is urging you to trust the process and believe in positive change. Transforming your love life. As you begin to embrace angel numbers, you'll notice a profound shift not only in your relationships but in your overall perspective. You'll start to trust the journey, understanding that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Healing is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process of self-discovery, forgiveness, and love. With the divine guidance of angel numbers, you can rebuild connections, restore harmony, and create a relationship filled with joy and purpose. Remember, the universe is always speaking to you. All you need to do is listen. So, what are you waiting for? The next time you see an angel number, don't brush it off as coincidence. Instead, take it as a sign that the universe is working in your favor. Use these numbers to heal, grow, and transform your relationships. And if this message resonates with you, share it with someone who needs it. Let's spread the power of love and divine guidance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join this journey of healing and inspiration. Remember, the universe is always guiding you. Trust the process. This structure will resonate emotionally with your audience, provide actionable advice, and inspire viewers to share the video for its spiritual and motivational impact. Thank you for watching the video. Do share your opinion in the comments about what you felt from this video, and what you think about this video, and Allah Hafiz for the next video.